Hey guys, it's Dynamic Zero, and today we don't have much of a tutorial, just more of an idea. Um, have you ever ran your own Minecraft server, and that's great for you and your friends, but if one of you's not home, the server goes down, and if only one person hosts the server, so that's the person that has to be home for the other person to play, it becomes just kind of a mess unless you leave your computer on all the time, which that's fine, but I am not one of the people that do that. So, me and my friend Chunk came up with the idea of Dropbox, and this is perfect if you have one or two people that you want to play with. It gets more complicated the more people you add, but it's kind of like having a legitimate hosted server without paying for anything, because I can't afford it right now, he can't afford it right now, you know, college and all that. So, this was a pretty good solution. So if you go to Minecraft.net, which I'd pull up and show you, but it's down right now, and you go to, it says you want to play in browser or play or download. On the download page, you can get to the server files. Now, this isn't going to be a server install tutorial. There's tons of tutorials on that, but you can get any type of server you want. It doesn't have to be the stock Minecraft server, but that's what I'm using because I don't know if Bucket even works on the 1.8 update. So, once you do that, you're going to install Dropbox. I'll have a link for that in the description. If you guys want to use my referral link, that'd be awesome. The more people you refer, the more space they give you. You start out with 2 gigs. I believe they said you can get up to 8 or something like that. So, larger space you have, the bigger Minecraft map you can have. 2 gigs is a lot though, so the 2 gigs you get free from Dropbox is definitely more than enough for just a Minecraft server. I don't know if any servers are even 2 gigs, even like big servers online. So once you sign up for Dropbox, there'll be a download, and the install process is so easy. I don't think I need to explain it. It gives you a whole walkthrough of how to use Dropbox. So you need you and your friend to have a Dropbox account, which installs on your desktop. And if you don't know what Dropbox is at all, I'll go over it real fast. It installs on your desktop, and you get these folders just like you would in your computer. Here's my photos, my public folder, and everything else. And from your public folder, you can kind of upload files, but it's right on your computer. You don't have to like go to their website, and you can link people to these files to download anywhere. And I don't think you have a bandwidth cap, so you can have as many people download as you want. And photos, you can share that with other Dropbox users, or you can have Dropbox on your phone or some other device and view your photos between. It's basically, well, no, it is a cloud server, a personal cloud server. So what I did was make a Minecraft server folder, and when you make the folder, you can right click, go to the Dropbox, and share this folder, and you type in the email address of the other person that has Dropbox. So then you both have the folders synced up. So basically, if I start the Minecraft server, press run from the Dropbox folder, for whatever reason, my 8 gigs of RAM is not enough to film and do this at the same time. I don't know what the deal is with that, so ignore any lag. I'll run Minecraft. Now, I want you to notice that there's all these check marks here, the green check marks, and this one's blue. Blue means it is uploading to Dropbox. So right now I'm running the server. If he ran the server right now, that would be an issue. Let's go into multiplayer. And here we go. Here's our chicken farm, blah, 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 blah. All our stuff. So that's how that works. Let's leave the game and turn off the server. Okay, so this file is blue and this folder is blue. So what it's doing is updating all the changes I made. So if I went in there and I built a house, and my friend is off at work while I'm on my day off, when he comes back tonight, he'll turn on his computer, unless it's already on, and these folders will be blue, and they'll download, and when they're all green, he can start up the server for himself, and while I'm at school or something, he can play Minecraft and pick up where I left off. So basically, it's like having a hosted server where everything's the same for everyone all the time. It's just, you don't have to pay. You have to wait a little bit in between. See if I go down to the Dropbox, hover over it. It should have said what percentage, but I guess it was too long for the thing. Oh no, it's because it finished. Okay, that's why. So now it's all green, which means it's updated to the Dropbox folder. Now, his is probably, if his computer's on, is turning blue now. Once it updates to the server, he can then start downloading it. And that happens automatically. So That's great. One other thing I'm going to say is while you're running the server, it's constantly uploading and downloading things to Dropbox. So when you install Dropbox, right-click the icon in your tray, go to Preferences, and make sure you turn off desktop notifications because the server makes all types of changes and it gets annoying. And you can limit your bandwidths and things like that. I would not limit. Let's do that. Apply, press OK. And that's pretty much it. So if you run, if two people have the server at the same time, that can be a problem. What you could do if you want is create some kind of text file in there and write your name on it if you're hosting a server right now for other people. Um, Other than that, that's fine. We use Hamachi to connect to each other. For whatever reason, we have problems connecting without Hamachi. Hamachi creates a virtual LAN. I'm not going to go over that too much because you can watch YouTube tutorials on that. So everyone who's on my Hamachi server list can join the server without a problem, and it shows they're online or if they're offline. So that's another way to know if one of your friends might be hosting a server. If they're online, you can just right-click and send them a chat message and say, hey, are you hosting a server right now? So this never really should run into a problem. So that's it. It's a pretty good solution to running a Minecraft server. I'll get all the links for everything in the description, and that's it. Have a good game.